Pants, pants, pants. I don't even know what fits me anymore. I haven't worn pants in a long time. This is the closet. Today I am reorganizing the closet in time for a change of season. This video is sponsored by Poshmark. If you don't already know what Poshmark is, it's a buy and sell app where you can shop secondhand for clothing and extend the life of your closet and help the planet. Also, as I'm cleaning out my closet today, I'm going to be featuring items that I'll be selling on my Poshmark. If you see anything you like, make sure you head on over to my Poshmark account so you can snatch up the item that you want. The closet is deceptively big. I'm here. Okay, I just touched the end of my closet. So in our old apartment, we had a walk-in closet, and now we have to fit all of our clothes into here. It's currently open right now. Our closet doors, which are right here, they're track doors, and after installing flooring, we didn't want to screw the tracks back into the new floors. We're thinking of adding new doors in, kind of switching up the closet to look a bit more built in. But for now, it's gonna stay open. This is Stefan's side, and then the rest of the closet is mine. There is a way high up shelf, which is perfect for storage. But down below, we don't have a dresser in our room yet. So I think first thing I'm going to do is pull out all my sweaters that I'm gonna put away. Tie-dye was so big and then it just crashed and burned. I really thought I was gonna wear this more and then I didn't. I feel like this is gonna be a 2-day endeavor. Tuesday. I definitely already have stuff in here that I would never wear again. So, let's see. Definitely not. I've had this for years and I haven't worn it for years. I'm gonna sort this by type before I sort it by color. So sleeveless, blouses, 2-pieces, jumpsuits, and dresses. This one I'll sell for like $5. So I'll show you how the app works. So listing on Poshmark is super simple. You take a photo, add a description like so. So mine will be gray ribbed bodysuit in a size small. And then you just wait for the sales to come in. When it comes to shipping, Poshmark provides the shipping label that they'll email you once an item is sold. So funny story, I don't have a printer. I've been living off mooching either friends or family. I am in the process of getting a printer ASAP. If you're buying anything off my profile, please bear with me. I'm trying to get one as soon as possible. I have this hanger to hold all of my belts. I think I might have a little too many of these belts. So definitely should work on trimming that down. Pants, pants, pants. I don't even know what fits me anymore. I haven't worn pants in a long time. I have multiple pairs of white pants. I'm a white pant lady because I like to live my life risky. This is definitely overcompensating for something because after getting my procedure done and now that I have much lighter periods, I just live life on the edge. You hang your pants like this and it doesn't look great. It doesn't hang great. So I like to hang my pants like this. Match up the front belt loops, straighten it out like that. Pants that have creases or pleats will thank you for this. And you don't clip to the end of the pants, clip until your pants are straight. Much neater this way. I don't know if you've been with me since like 2012, Letitia. This was like ombre hair, Letitia. It's time to retire these. This entire box is just our t-shirts and shorts. Since it's been cold up until now, I've just been rifling through it here and there, but I don't need anything from it. But now that it's warmer, I definitely need to organize this quickly. Cause it's like this every time I look for something. This already, I've never worn this. I think I'll keep it though. It would look cute with this top. I promise I'm a purger. perfect fit. Oh my gosh, how tiny is this little guy? So to explain my reasoning behind this dresser, it is completely unfinished. Got it off a dude online, and it just perfectly fits the width of the middle shelf. I'm going to DIY this. So these drawer pulls need to be swapped out. Maybe I'll add legs to it. I'm not really sure what color I'm gonna do yet. This is just a stand-in for now. The size is perfect. The look is just not quite there. None of this needs to be for Stefan. All of his t-shirts fit under his bed. This is all for me. So Marie Kondo, she folds all of her tops like this. Then she creates a little roll, one roll, like so. Instead of stacking your shirts vertically and having to peel out under the piles to look at what you have, you can see they're all lined up like this. I'd say I'm about halfway through. I think I'm good for the day. Quite a lot more space than I thought. I didn't even fill out this tiny dresser yet, but this will now be a Tuesday shirt. Good morning! I realized that I never addressed why this closet is blue inside, and that's because this whole bedroom used to be this color. I didn't paint it. I figure it's a closet, it's gonna be on the inside. I'd have to take down this whole system just to paint it. I'm not gonna paint it. Surprisingly, the tiny dresser is holding up really well. I still have one drawer empty. I cleaned everything out 6 months ago, and I still have more to get rid of, which makes me happy. When it comes to folding like this, comes to me really naturally because we used to have to do perfect folds for displays. I learned by doing it on a board. It comes easy to me, but then I see Stefan try to perfect fold to match the stuff in the closet. Try as he might, bless his little heart, cannot perfect fold for his life. So hard to get rid of. I think it's time to get rid of it. It's back when I used to work at French Connection. This was like a prized sweater. I waited maybe a year before I bought this because it was just, it's hand knit and it's beautiful, and it was very expensive, and our employee discount wasn't that much. You're supposed to wear what's in the store, and I bought like the cheapest thing. It was a tank top. It was a tie-dye tank top that I wore like every single shift. My manager was so nice, but even she was like, Letitia, you gotta buy something current season. You can't just wear the same thing to work over and over again. And I was like, fine. But I haven't worn it in a long time, so I think it's time to go. I'm gonna take some more pictures to post on Poshmark. With my heavy knitwear, I'm gonna put it up top. Living in a house, I'm sure there will be a lot more bugs, so I'm gonna get plastic tubs for these so that I can put them away, but for now I'll just keep them up top. Maybe I'll be a mothball lady. I'm at this point where I've just been shifting these shelves around for a while, and I'm trying to get them to flow a little better because there's a lot of brackets that overlap. Sometimes I don't know if it's better to have it customizable. I really like that I can switch it depending on the needs of the season, but right now it's getting on my nerves because there might be a little too many options. So as usual with all closet organizations, this took me way longer than I expected. I thought the closet was pretty neat aside from the cardboard box, but I did a lot of purging, and somebody needs to come grab this 100% silk Diane von Furstenberg wrap dress. If you download the free Poshmark app today with my code, you can get $15, I can get $15, and you could secondhand shop your merry little hearts out. Please don't forget to like this video. You can find me on all social at Letitia Q, and I will see you next time. Bye.